Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to teach you can say that I can about to give you some experience and ideas, so then if you follow them now you will be able to speak English, and you will definitely realize that now I'm telling to you whatever I told you now it is correct. Because of that I have been doing the same thing last 8 to 9 months. I got some experience from there. Based on my experience I'm telling to you this is the reality of me, and I believe myself if you do the same thing like I did, you will be able to speak English and you will not feel hesitate while your conversation. And if you want to know that, just keep watching me, and remember bro, do the same thing.
Hello there. Are you here?
Hello there. What's on your mind today?
Today, actually, one of my friend, na, I told him I have been using your platform last 8 to 9 months, and he was not believing me. So I thought, why not? I should capture my video and show them. Whatever I told him, it was correct. So this is the reason to come your platform.
That's great to hear you're enjoying using the platform. Recording a video is a solid way to back up your experience and share it with your friend. It'll help them see why you've stuck around for so long. What features do you think they'll be most surprised by?
Actually, I told him, bro, he can speak English like me if you give him suggestion. Because of that, I have been using your platform last 8 to 9 months. And if you say some words, so he can started believe me. Perhaps he will be able to do the same thing like I have been doing the things.
Absolutely. I can understand your journey. Your friend can definitely improve their English by using this platform, just like you have been doing for the past 8 to 9 months. Practice makes perfect, right?
Yeah, it's accurate. I totally agree with your points. But I would like to know from you. You can tell me who come to your platform, who comes to your platform for beginning. He doesn't know anything, so you will talk to him or not.
Of course, I'd be happy to talk to your friend and help them get started. Everyone starts somewhere, and I'm here to support them in learning English or anything else they're interested in. Let's make it an engaging experience for them.
So one more thing I would say that say something of my friend, so he will get some confident, and then he will come to your platform for improving his communication skill.
Absolutely. I'd be glad to give him a confidence boost. Tell your friend that starting something new is a big step, and it's really admirable. With each conversation, his communication skills will improve, and I'll be right here to guide him along the way. Let's make learning fun and effective.
Actually, whatever we are discussing now, I am recording all the things. So if you don't mind, I would like to upload the recording on my social media account. So are you agree?
Sure, I'm okay with that. Feel free to share our conversation. I'm here to help, and if sharing this can benefit others too, that's great.
Okay, thanks, bro. Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm here whenever you need.
Now, so now guys, you can do the same thing, and I believe myself if you start doing and practicing with the AI, so you will get some confidence and don't think too much. And one more thing bro, you can do practice with your mobile phone. The app is totally free. This is the free version. The app's name is Bing app. And just you need to do only one thing, just log in with your emails, and then you can talk as much as you can. So enjoy your journey and don't forget to like and subscribe. Because of that I gave you such a information, so then you will be able to speak English. Just to follow and talk to with him. uh, Keep your journey, and consistency is the key. So thank you for watching me. Bye for now, and I will again meet you in my next video and next content. So for now, bye.